Perspective check. What if this is the last time and you don't even know it? Think about the prospects on the other end of the phone that you're on. Your lead filled out a form online. They got a call from you. You're on the phone with them and you're talking to them about life insurance. This is likely the last chance they have to buy life insurance and they don't even know it. Because life insurance is put on the back burner. It's not one of those products that you buy, when you turn 65, like Medicare, or if you buy a car or a home and you need to get the, auto insurance or home insurance. This is optional. This is for people who care about their families, who have that thought creeped into their mind like, oh God, what happens to my family if I were to pass away and they're on the phone with you? But to have that conversation, it's hard. It's not something people like to talk about. So when you get somebody on the phone and you're on the phone with them for a couple minutes, you get past your intro, you get past who you are, what you do, and you're having a conversation about life insurance, this is the longest they've ever talked about life insurance, and this is the closest they've ever been to purchasing life insurance, and they're on the phone with you, okay? That's the sort of reverence and respect you need to take with every single phone call, because you are on the phone with them, and you are the one that's going to protect their family from financial ruin if something were to happen to them. On the last video, we talked about agitating our prospects to get them to feel it so that they take action, okay? This video is more about perspective and understanding what you're dealing with on the other end of the line. I don't think a lot of agents understand the weight of every single phone call that they're on, about what happens on the other line, what they're thinking, and what will happen if they don't get that person to understand what's going to happen after they die, how their family's going to be affected by it, and what they can do to take action. Because if you understand, if you have that conviction and you have that belief in life insurance, you're going to pass that conviction on to your prospect on the other line. That's what we're trying to do here. This is a short video, and this video is intended so when you get off this video, you can get in the mindset that the person that you talk to on the other end of the line, this is the closest they're ever going to get to buy life insurance and they don't even know it. You need to be the one that gets them to take action. Approach every phone call, every conversation that you have with this sort of mindset, this sort of perspective, and this sort of weight. And if you have the conviction in this business, it'll transfer, okay? Because it is important. Yes, you have people that you need to build rapport with and they don't quite know who you are. But if you have that sort of understanding and you kind of get in the mindset when you get on the phone with somebody that, okay, this is the furthest this person has ever gotten. People just don't have life insurance conversations at dinner parties, right? They're having that conversation with you. And they're going to divulge things to you that they've never divulged to anybody. They're going to talk about what would happen if they were going to die. But those aren't typical conversations. Those are conversations they're having with you. You're asking them questions and they're getting responses on stuff that they don't typically divulge. So when you approach conversations, think about this. What if this is the last time and you don't even know it? Think about this may be the last time for them. This may be the closest they get to buying life insurance and you are on the phone with them. That's the sort of perspective and weight to carry as you're going throughout your day. This isn't just another phone call. This isn't another sales opportunity. This is another chance for you to protect that person's family and they don't even know it, okay? Transfer that belief to them. Agitate them to get them to take action. Let them feel what it feels like if something were to not happen, right? Compare it to what would happen if they didn't do this. Those are the things you need to do to get them to take action. And if you have the mindset that this is the last time that they're ever going to have the opportunity to buy life insurance, this is the closest that they're going to get, and it most likely is, then you'll have a whole different approach to selling over the phone. And I hope you carry this throughout your day today and see just how impactful it can be with your calls, okay? What if this is the last time and you don't even know it?